Poverty is an issue across the country, especially here on the High Plains. KAMR Local 4's Jason Britch has more on how a local nonprofit is hoping to decrease the number of those living in poverty here in the Panhandle.
Throughout the 26 counties that comprise the Texas Panhandle, Panhandle Community Services held a simultaneous Panhandle-wide conversation on poverty.
We're trying to find out what it is that they think are the poverty issues, what do they think can alleviate that, and how do we go about doing so.
Twitty says they not only wanted to inform those in attendance, but hear their valuable feedback, because it's crucial to try and figure out why poverty is an issue.
I heard a lot today here that people did think that jobs was a big issue, healthcare was a big issue. They talked about the need for education and training, as well as transportation and child care as contributing factors to those.
Twitty also heard about possible solutions on the matter.
There was some discussion about working with kids. There's also some discussion a little bit about trades and how important trades are to helping people find good quality jobs.
And the reason they had this conversation in each community is that each one has different needs and issues.
Our financial, economic, and medical center is here. So Amarillo is a little bit different than the rest of the region, but it still has poor people. So we have to figure out what works here in Amarillo, what will work in Hall County, what will work in Delhart.
Which is their overall goal, to try and bring down the number of those living in poverty.
If we don't ask the people who need the service, we will never know what they need. So that's why we want to go directly to as many communities as we could and say, what do you need here?
In Amarillo, Jason Britch, KAMR Local 4 News.
According to the most recent census taken back in 2010, just under 15% of people in the Panhandle live at or below the poverty line.